Hope Valley, September 21, 2025. In an age of rapid-fire information, a wave of concern recently washed over the dedicated fanbase of Hallmark's beloved series, When Calls the Heart. Whispers and headlines suggesting that series star Erin Krakow had been rushed to the hospital for a health emergency sent shockwaves through the Hearties community, leaving many anxious for the well-being of the actress who portrays the cherished Elizabeth Thornton. However, after a thorough review of official sources, statements from Krakow's representatives, and her recent public activity, it can be confirmed with heartfelt relief that these reports are unfounded. Erin Krakow is not experiencing a health emergency and has not been hospitalized. The likely source of this distressing rumor appears to be a misunderstanding, conflating Krakow with a tragic event that befell one of her When Calls the Heart co-stars earlier this year. In May 2024, that Hearties community was genuinely rocked by the news that Mamie Laverock, the talented young actress who plays Rosaline Sullivan, was hospitalized following a serious fall. During that trying time, Erin Krakow, along with the entire cast and crew of the show, rallied around Laverock and her family, offering unwavering support and keeping concerned fans respectfully informed. Krakow's compassionate updates and calls for prayers for her colleague showcased the deep bonds of the Hallmark family, a sentiment that undoubtedly resonates with the show's loyal viewers. It is a testament to the close-knit nature of the When Calls the Heart community that any news, even when misconstrued, can elicit such a powerful and immediate emotional response. The concern for Krakow is a direct reflection of the affection and admiration she has garnered over the years, not just for her portrayal of Elizabeth Thornton, but for her genuine warmth and grace off-screen. In reality, recent news surrounding Erin Krakow has been overwhelmingly positive. She recently participated in the annual Hearties Family Reunion, a fan convention that brings the cast and their devoted followers together in a celebration of all things Hope Valley. Images and reports from the event depict a vibrant and healthy Krakow, joyfully interacting with fans and her fellow cast members. Furthermore, Hallmark has announced that Krakow will be starring in a new Christmas movie, a welcome development for viewers who eagerly anticipate her heartwarming holiday features. Her continued and active presence in the Hallmark universe is a clear indication of her well-being. The spread of misinformation in the digital age is a poignant reminder of the importance of verifying sources before sharing potentially alarming news. While the initial shock of such a headline is understandable, that Hearties community can now collectively breathe a sigh of relief. The real story here is not one of a health crisis, but rather one of a compassionate and supportive community, both on and off the screen. The concern for Erin Krakow, while born from a rumor, highlights the profound connection she has with her audience. The When Calls the Heart family, from its cast to its global fanbase, has once again demonstrated its remarkable capacity for empathy and care. As we look forward to the next chapter of When Calls the Heart and Krakow's upcoming projects, let us carry with us the spirit of Hope Valley, a spirit of community, resilience, and above all, of looking out for one another. And in that spirit, we can all be grateful for the good news. Erin Krakow is well, and the heart of Hope Valley beats as strong as ever.